بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to science class. Open your book page 18. So today we will start part 2, living things. And unit is plants and their parts. Now what are living things? What are living things? Living things are those which can breathe, which can move, which can grow, which can eat and reproduce. Living things are those which can breathe, which can move, which can grow, which can eat and reproduce. Just like human beings, plant also breathe, it can move, it can reproduce and it can grow. So therefore, plants are also living things. Now in this unit, we will study about plants and their parts. So let's start reading. Plants are living things. In order to live, plants need good soil, air, water and sunlight. As plants are living things, so they need good soil, air, water and sunlight to live. Plants grow all over the world. In order to live, plants grow in different ways. पूरी दुनिया में प्लांट्स उगते हैं. जिंदा रहने के लिए ये मुख्तलिफ तरीक़ों से उगते हैं. Plants grow in all shapes and size. Some grow in the soil, on land and others grow in water. Plants grow in all shapes and sizes. Some grow in the soil, on land and others grow in water. सारे प्लांट्स एक ही साइज और शेप के नहीं होते. कुछ साइज में बहुत छोटे होते हैं और कुछ बहुत बड़े. सारे प्लांट्स के हैबिटेट भी एक जैसे नहीं होते. कुछ प्लांट लैंड पे ग्रो करते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल मैंगो ट्री, गवावा ट्री एटसेट्रा, और कुछ वाटर में ग्रो करते हैं जैसे वाटर लिली एंड एल्गी एटसेट्रा. So now types of plants. Some plants are small while some are very big. As we read, plants are different in size. Some are small and some are very big. Shrubs are small plants with woody stems. These are small plants and they have woody stem. Herbs. Herbs are small plants with tender green stems. These are also small plants but they have green stems. Shrubs have woody stems and herbs have green stems. They are often aromatic and the leaves can be used to flavor food. They are often aromatic and the leaves can be used to flavor food. Aromatic mean खुशबूदार. So most herbs are aromatic and their leaves are used as a food. Example, coriander and mint etc. Coriander, dhania and mint, pudina etc. Now creepers are plants with weak stems. They grow along or close to the ground. Creepers are those plants which have weak stems, so they cannot stand upright, so therefore they grow on the surface of ground. Example is pumpkin. Examples are pumpkin, melon and watermelon etc. Now climbers are plants which climb up other plants or surfaces. These plants take support of other plants or surfaces to grow or to climb up. Example, grapevine. So this is an example of climbers. Now come to next page. Trees are the largest plants. They usually have a single woody stem called the trunk. Some trees are thousands of years old. Each year the tree grows a new ring inside the trunk. We can tell the age of the tree by counting these rings. Now trees are the largest plants. They have strong woody stem called trunk. Some trees have thousands of years old. Inside trunk there are ring-like structures. Look at here. These are rings. And this is a trunk. So ट्री जितने साल ग्रो करती है उतने ही रिंग्स बनते हैं. मतलब एक साल कंप्लीट हो जाए तो एक रिंग बन जाता है. सो फ्रॉम दीज रिंग्स वी कैन फाइंड द एज ऑफ अ ट्री. नाउ द टफ प्रोटेक्टिव आउटर लेयर ऑफ अ ट्री or woody shrub is called bark. Now the outer tough protective layer on the stem of trees and shrubs is called bark. And these are knot. These are knot. From these knot branches grow up. And the outermost protective layer is called bark. So students, this is enough for today. Now I am telling you a short summary of today's lecture. आज हमने पढ़ा plants के बारे में. That plants are living things and they need good soil, air, water and sunlight to live. And then we read plants grow in all shape and sizes. Some grow in the soil on land and other grow in water. We read types of plants पढ़े. श्रब्स पढ़ा. श्रब्स जो है वो श्रब्स और हर्ब्स ये स्मॉल प्लांट्स होते हैं, लेकिन श्रब्स जो है उनके वुडी स्टेम्स होते हैं और हर्ब्स जो है उनके ग्रीन स्टेम्स होते हैं. और हर्ब्स जो है वो एरोमेटिक होते हैं. एरोमेटिक मीन खुशबूदार होते हैं. दे हैव गुड स्मेल. और उनके लीव्स जो होते हैं वो हम खाने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. कोरिएंडर धनिया और मिंट पुदीना ये एग्जाम्पल्स है हर्ब्स के. फिर हमने क्रीपर्स के बारे में पढ़ा कि क्रीपर्स हैव वीक स्टेम्स एंड दे ग्रो ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ ग्राउंड. फिर हमने क्लाइंबर्स के बारे में पढ़ा कि क्लाइंबर्स टेक सपोर्ट फ्रॉम अदर प्लांट्स और surfaces to grow or to climb up. And then we read about trees. The trees are the largest plants. They have strong woody stem called trunk. Some trees are thousands of years old. Inside trunks there are rings-like structure, and from these rings we can find the age of a tree. And we read the outer tough protective layer on the stem of trees and shrubs is called bark. So now your homework is do reading of page 18. Okay students, take care and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.